Now, your Storm Tracker team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Sam Parrish.
Welcome back, everyone. Scattered showers and storms in our forecast again today, and here they are on Live Viper. Let's zoom in on some of the heavier storms over near Nearwood and Wilson, over towards Clinton. Some lightning activity there. Also a little cell down near Zachary and Slaughter. Stronger storm, severe thunderstorm warning in effect for this particular cell near Point Claire. That's going to be moving over towards Krotz Springs over the next half hour or so. So watch out in that particular area. Then other showers up to the north in southwestern Mississippi near Gloucester and Compromise, over near Liberty. Some scattered storms there as well. Rainfall amounts have been quite impressive with some of these cells. If you get underneath one of them, 1.7 in Jackson so far, 0.8 officially at the airport. Over half an inch in Denham Springs, around a quarter of an inch in Liberty. So some places picking up quite a bit of rain in a very short period of time. Looking at our tower cam up to the north, you can see the dark storm up to the north. Currently at the airport, we're sitting at 69 degrees, feels like 66, and the dew point is also 66. Winds are variable right now with the storms in the area. Generally, readings are in the 60s, 70s, and even some 80s, showing up down to the south in Morgan City and Franklin, where the storms have been less frequent down there today. Dew points are in the 60s and 70s, so it's very humid out there. But the good news is with the storms, or at least we're washing some of this pollen out of the air, most of it being oak grass and bayberry pollen, expected to be low by the time we roll into Thursday. Big storm system over Louisiana today extends all the way up into the Carolinas with this frontal system that's kind of hanging out. And as we go through the next several days, we're going to have pieces of energy rolling up and over this boundary. So we're going to see a continuation of storm chances. But then as we go towards the weekend, rain chances are going to start to go down as ridge of high pressure builds in. And in the meantime, we're going to have to watch for a bigger storm system on the west coast to get closer to us into the middle part of next week. So tomorrow, storm chances are still going to be there across the area. But then as we go into Thursday, lesser chances of storms, and then even less so on Friday and Saturday as we go towards the weekend. As ridge of high pressure builds in aloft, that will squelch the rain chances. So tonight, lows in the 60s, and then tomorrow, storm chances will be back with readings in the mid-80s. And then as we go into Thursday morning, lows again in the upper 60s to around 70. And then Thursday afternoon, partly cloudy with highs in the mid-80s with isolated storms. And those storm chances go down as we go towards Saturday and Sunday, with highs getting close to 90 on Saturday and Sunday under partly cloudy skies. All right, that's a look at the forecast. Let's go back to the news desk with Andrew and Christina and the rest of today's news.